I'm here with topic table and forms in HTML. Table is what actually? Table is used to arrange the multiple type of data in rows and columns. In HTML we have data, images, text, hyperlinks and forms. So we can arrange these type of data with the help of some tags in the and can create table in HTML with the help of some tags. And second topic is forms. Forms is interactive web page, and as you have seen admission form, registration form, so we can take user input with the help of forms. So we will learn today how to create table and form. So let's start the topic. Tables are used to arrange data in rows and columns. In HTML, we can arrange data like text, images, links, forms in rows and columns. One important term used in table is cell. Cell is intersection of rows and columns. Columns are vertical, rows are horizontal, and cells are intersection of rows and columns. In HTML, a table is divided into rows with the TR tag, which stands for a table row. Each row is divided into data cells with the TD tag, which stands for the table data. A TD tag can contain text, links, images, list, form and other tables. By using table tag, we can create table in HTML. But for defining the table properties, we need to use attribute of table tag. So some table attributes are border, border color, cell spacing, align. Next is border. It is used to specify the border of a table. We can use it as table border equals to within the quotation value and then close the table tag. Next is border color. We can specify any color to the border and we need to use it with table border is equals to 1 as previously done, and we can set any color. We have used here red. We can set any color to the border color. Next is cell spacing. Cell spacing specify the amount of space between the cells and it can be used with table border and border color. We need to set any value for cell spacing, how much space you want between the cell. Next one is align. Aligns specify the alignment of a table to center, right or left direction. So we can also use it with the other tag attributes with border, border color, cell spacing and align. We can set the align to center, left and right. Next topic is creating forms. Forms are interactive web pages and used for entering the data. Open form tag and close form tag is used to create form in HTML. Main element of forms are text box, password input columns, text area, radio button, check boxes, menu buttons, scrolling list. So this is the form we can create in HTML. We are familiar with the concept. Let's do it practically. Click on the window button. Write notepad in the search. Click on the notepad and start writing the program. First tag is HTML. Open tag. Use closing tag of HTML. Try to use this tag in pairs so there is less chances of error. Use second tag, that is head tag. Close the head tag and use title tag in between the head tag. These tag I have explained earlier. Title tag, which is the only tag used in the head tag. Set it with the tab. Press the tab key to look it presentable. Write title HTML practical. HTML practical practice. Insert body tag. close the body tag. In between we need to create table and we will use all the table tags. Set it with the help of tab key. Use the first table tag and close. In table we need to use table row. Table row represent with the TR. So in table, firstly we will use table row, and in table row we will use TD tag, that is table data. And this data will be inserted in the row. Name, if we want to add second entry, again TD, as we have done in the list, is similar like that. Okay, but here we are creating table, so entries will be in a row or column. Close the TD tag. Now we have done two entries, name and age. Now close the table row, TR. So it's like we have one row in which we have name and age. Okay, so column name it's name and age. Again we need to write the entries. Name is Rahul. Start with again TR because we are entering the data in the second row. Okay, so whatever row you are adding, you need to enter TR that time, and in that you need to use TD tag. Okay, so use TD tag, close the tag. Now close the TR tag. So we have done all, used all the table tags. Set the tags. Now it's only we have done till now just entries in the rows. Name, age, name is Rahul and age is 24. So we have also studied about the attributes of the table. So here we will add that also. Table border, how much width you want. Table border you can increase, you can write to any value, 5, 10, 20, whatever. Firstly start with the 1, after that you can see the changes. Cell spacing, which is also attribute of table tag. Alignment, left, right, center, we can set it any. So I have set here alignment, center. So here we will create a table and which will be aligned in the center. Okay, which have border value 1 and cell spacing also 1, and I'm also setting here border color. Border color is green. So outer line will be of green color. Okay, border will be of green color. So this is the program. Save with the .html extension. File name you can write any. I'm using here table html.html. Okay. Save as type all files so that it can be opened, and now close it. Now click on the Chrome browser icon, and this is the output for our program. So as you can see, this is the table created with the help of table tags and with the help of table attributes. Now I'm also showing you some changes. If you want to edit the same table, and if you want to increase or decrease some values, like I'm changing here border color, I'm setting it to red, and table border 5, cell spacing 5. So you can see the difference. To run, click on the element. As you can see, color is changed, table and value, name, age, column width also changed. Again change with the values. To change it, just click on the output, right click, and there is view source, and below the view source there is insect elements. So you can click that, and this window will open, and just right click to edit as HTML, and you can make the changes. Again table border 10, cell spacing 15, and alignment left. So that's the changes. Now let's learn the use of form tag. So we will insert here form tag, write form. Other tag will be same as we have used earlier. In form tag, open and close, we need to use label and input. Okay, we need to use it in pairs. Label is just simple text which we will use to represent whether we are using text box, any button. Okay, so we need to write it in the label for first name. Whenever you are using any form, any registration form, so there is a first field, that is name. Okay, so first name, last name, it can be any. So I'm just showing you the example. Okay, so label for first name, write the first name colon. It will look whether whatever you will use here, it will look on the screen. Okay, first name colon, and the label for first name within the quotation, its value. Okay, so you can also set as f name, something else, but it's like id to save that name. Input type, how your name will be inserted in the text box. So write here text. ID, just write the same name which you have used only for label for first name. So write here same name. Okay, first name, so data saved accordingly. ID is helps to searching the data. Name equals to first name, value equals to, put it blank because I want first name and a text box and blank value. I want value from the user, so put it blank. Okay, value is equals to double quotation only blank. BR, BR tag we use for the to move to the next line. BR single, it will move you to a single line. So we have created here first name, and in front of that a text box in which user can write the first name. Next I am using here radio button. So input type will be radio. Okay, input type is equals to double quotation radio, name is equals to gender, male, female, like you have seen in any forms. So we can also create here ID, male. So it will be same. Okay, input type you need to mention name and ID. You need to mention these fields whenever you want to use any input type. Okay, input type, name and ID, and somewhere value also. Whenever you want some user input, so you need to write their value also. Label for male, male, capital MALE, male, capital M here, it will display on the screen. Close the label tag. And again use the BR tag to break a new line. Otherwise, all whatever we are creating, it will enter in a single line. So we need to give it a shape of the form. So we are trying to insert the values one by one. First name, radio button, we are inserting now checkbox. If you want to create multiple, so you can also use the same code. Okay, first name you only need to change label for first name, it can be last name, and like radio button I am using here male, so you can also use it for female. So two radio button you can use here. And next I am using here checkbox of the subject maths. So you can also create 5 checkboxes of different subjects using the same code. Input type is equals to checkbox, name, subject, ID will be different if you are using the different subject, and label for whatever ID you will use there, you need to write that ID in the label for. Okay, maths, close the label. Again insert the BR tag to break a new line. One break, it will give you 2 break line. So you can also see the difference in the output. One more thing we are adding here. So we have created here text box, radio button, checkbox. So we are also using here submit button. You have seen whenever you are filling any form, there will be a submit button. So how it inserted, how its scoring is done, so it's like input type is equals to submit, it's predefined. Okay, so input type is equals to submit, value you need to write here submit. So it's automatically submit the form. Save the program. Check the output. Actually, I have edited the previous mail program. So here it is. First name, as you can see, first name. There is text box in front of that, and mail. In front of that there is a radio button. Maths, in front of that there is a checkbox, and submit button. So there is name is equals to first name. Why it happened? So you can add it as. So we have maybe any mistake is there. So we need to check the code. There will not, we have added a angle bracket extra, so remove that. First name, name, value. And close the tag. So it's done, but here is also a angle bracket extra, again added that. Remove the angle bracket. So it's done. It's our final output. First name, okay, mail, maths, submit. So you can do it practically and make a form. First name, last name, male, female, and different subjects. Okay, so do practice. I hope you like the video.